Okay, hello. This is the next installment of the development vlogs. This one specifically is for week 8. And apologies if I sound quiet, it's just my microphone. You may need to turn it up, but hopefully I am clear. Okay, so right off the bat, uh, in the game view, you can see I've tinkered with the screen. I've used post-processing to give it that film look and make it darker, and also puzzle items will bloom to have this effect, so easily um, identifiable as a puzzle item. So that's been done. I have tinkered with the lights, and I've tried to make the scene more atmospheric, so just a lot less lighting, but I still need to add a few torches. But okay, and as you see here, I've given the player a lantern to hold now because it's that much darker, and I'll show you in a bit. I also did some sound effects or some character sounds, so I did these in Wise. So this is my Wise layout at the moment. So you see I've got Atmos, character, monsters, music, sound effects, and this isn't all the sounds. There will be more of the final version of the game, but just for now I did footstep sounds. So this is a random container, and if we play this, so it selects from 7 and then it shuffles them and it avoids repeating the last 2. So this basically breaks up patterns, and hopefully it will sound like just normal footsteps. And this can be now shown in the game. There will be sound in the game as well, so sorry if I'm quite quiet. Okay, so if we walk, the player is quite fast. I will tinker with that, but at the moment you can hear the footsteps. And if we go over here, so it's just a scripted event. We'll go up the stairs as well. So you can immediately see the difference with the vocal slice, just how dark it is. But the lantern is really needed. And you have an inventory as well by pressing I. So these are the slots. There are keys to get and quest item, puzzle items, and they'll go in there. So if we go down here as well. So I've redesigned the first level, and we have these doors that can animate and have sounds. By pressing E, you open them. It lets you basically advance. And then you can close them again. Okay, so that's what I've been doing on the player controls side of things. So now I will show you some level design I've been working on. So I had to basically redo the first level. I made it more symmetrical, just because I think I prefer it this way. It didn't really make much sense. You had an open top cell, now you don't. You're more confined. You won't spawn here. This is just for testing purposes. You'll spawn in here. This is your cell, so no open top roof now. Makes it harder, but there will be a puzzle to get out. And if we go to level 2, which is the main one, so you'll start here in this room, and then you'll come out here, and this is the big open space room. So this is where you'll need to go. You'll need to collect all the keys to progress through the golden door, and it's 2 stories. I'm yet to finish it, but hopefully I will soon. So that's quite cool, and basically you'll have to sneak around and avoid a monster that patrols. Okay, level 3 I haven't really started on, but it's a smaller room. It's like a storage area, so there'll be another level in here where you can access. Level 4 is I wanted to make this level very cramped, so you go down the stairs and then you go into this big room and encounter another monster, just like in level 3 and 2. And then level 5 is the chase scene. This has been started, not finished, so you come down these stairs and you'll have to run away. And yeah, so how it works for each monster going in a level, so I've been doing this for level 2 now. We have a monster here, the Unsighted. Now he has a nav mesh. If I can just bring up his... Okay. Gizmos, there we go. Yeah, so that's his nav mesh. This is basically where he, what he has access to. And there are nodes as well, there are patrol points. If I can just find them. Apologies for the state of the game, it's the current, the hierarchy is a bit messy. Okay, if we activate this, what we can see is patrol points, and they basically have to, the red is where he goes, but the yellow is where they connect, and they have to basically cross each other to pass data to one point to the other. So the monster, effectively the monster knows where he's going and where he's been, and he chooses these points at random, but he doesn't choose the one he was just at. So it adds fluidity to the game. So if I just press play, you'll see the monster now patrolling to each point. And basically I'll set up more points, but this was just a demonstration of what I've been doing. So yeah. So the only thing to do left would be to obviously attack the player. But that's what I have in my AI scene, just demonstration of that. So again, same thing, literally just have points. And the AI can literally just choose at random and go to it. And that's how it's going to work for all 3 monsters, but they're all going to have sort of different behaviors. So they'll have this patrol, but then how they interact with the player will be different. But okay, cool. That's all for week 8, with just our highlights anyway. It will be a busy week 9. I still need to develop the puzzles, but I have them written down. And I'm hopeful that this will be a good title to release soon. So thank you very much.